future. About to blast off, yeah, you could call me super. Man, I'm an icon, he lost to the clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in the cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Know you heard the rumors, yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover, I never took a loss in this game. I'm the ruler, yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. Let's get it poppin', gon' light it up, yeah, quitting ain't an option. All around the world, you can see me go trotting. I'm about to blow and you know that I ain't stopping. We making moves, breaking every record, baby, this is what I do. What was written in the stars, now I'm all over the news. It's about to go down and you know I never lose, that's the truth.
It's evolution, it's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution, it's evolution. It's evolution, it's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution, it's evolution. It's evolution, it's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
Dati kaliwat kanan, madalas magkakasabay pa yung ginujowa ko. Pero nung nakilala kita at dumating ka sa buhay ko, doon ko nasabi na ito na nga yung tamang dragon.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
Nagkakilala kami sa trabaho, sa Home Credit.
Alam nyo na, ganda-gandahan tayo. So, inad agad tayo sa Facebook. Tapos, makulit kasi siya. So, nakulitan na ako.
Tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa...
Hindi ko kayang basahin.
Conversation.
Thank you pa.
Hindi lang alam ko eh.
Mami, conversation namin ni Mama. Unang nag-propose ako sa'yo. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na kahit nasa langit na si Mama, kasama pa rin natin siya ngayon sa araw ng kasal natin. At aprobado niya ang proposal ko sa'yo.
Mami, Daddy, thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa sa guidance. Simula nung dati hanggang ngayon. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na pag napaligiran ang ingay at ng gulo.
Ay, Daddy, ito na yung time na hinihintay natin. Sana ma-enjoy mo rin. Kasi ako sobrang enjoy ka na rin. So, I'll see you later and I love you.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi.
Thank you, Mami, kasi andiyan ka pa rin kahit na may haba-haba yung pinagdaanan natin. Thank you sa pag-alaga sa akin kapag may sakit ako, kahit galit ka, at promise ko sa'yo na hindi ako magsasawa na maging tigasin. Tigasaing, tigalaba, tigaluto, tigaligpit. I love you.
Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin
aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin kung sa huling
Thank you for loving me, Daddy. Not only me, but my whole family. Thank you sa pagtupad ng pangarap ng pamilya ko. Lalo na ng mama at nanay ko. Thank you for being my person, my love, my home. I'm so honored to walk through life with you And I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Salamat sa pagpili sa akin araw-araw. Sabay nating tuparin yung bago kong pangarap.
In God's presence, and to our mother, father, siblings, lolo, lola, tita, ninong, and ninang, at sa lahat ng bisita namin, I vow to love you and promise to be with you through tough times and good times. I love you, Maraken Esteban.